Hey guys, wanna know how to change your language easily in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to do so easily. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So first up, launch Audacity and right here on the top of the toolbar, there is Edit. Click on it, and on the bottom there is Preferences. Left click on it. You can either select Ctrl+P as well, and here a dialog will pop up. Now navigate towards interface and left click on it, and here on the display you can see language. So just simply click on the drop down that is right here and then change your language as you like. There are various options to choose from, so let's just go for Spanish this time. So once you're done, click OK. So this should change your language, and if it does not, you can simply restart it once. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.